Good evening, everyone. You know, since people have been shouting and being stupid about SARS shit that they talk about, but you know, officially I am sounding this. Fuck you, SARS. Fuck you, the Nigerian government. Fuck the head of SARS. Fuck the head of police. Fuck the head of army. Fuck the head of every force in Nigeria that are brutalizing humans. I know you guys are not humans, you know, because you've been given capsules or you've been trained so hard that you're really, you know, the same training you undergo is the same training the Mossad undergo, and the same training the American military and the Russian military and the KGB or whatever they are. But I have never seen a military outside my country that brutalize people, not to talk of shooting randomly that's going to kill an innocent citizen. You know, fuck my English, fuck everything. It's a fuck you season. But this is my own fuck you season challenge. Nigerian government, officially, I am sounding this to you. I am Aremu Olumide Afolayan. I am saying I am a Nigerian actor and a movie producer and a director. Once a model. It might sound funny, but fuck you, federal government. Fuck you, all senators. Fuck you to the past government and the past governors and the past mayors. Fuck all the head of police that has ever been in existence. Fuck you and fuck you all. That boy that died, you know, I saw what Burna Boy wrote, and straight to Nigerians, you people do not ever in your life want bribery and corruption. You condemn the politics, you condemn the governors and the presidents, everyone who has ever been in the position of taking bribe, you condemn everyone. But right in your fucking face, I want same people, you want for any rice to one in okay, want for any agate, want for any shaluala, want for any tissue maker, fin polish butter, want for empower any eden bag. And Gary, one sort of bribery. Then who the fuck is taking the bribe? Listen to me. I do not care who it concerns. I am right now in Dubai. I will be in Nigeria weekend. All I'm expecting is for the SARS and the head of army and the SSS to be at the airport to arrest me for what I am saying now. You know, funny enough, it is so much pity that I am not of the blood of that boy that you killed. But if I was one of the blood of the boy you killed, oh God, all of you, I repeat, all of you with the head of police and Buhari and all of you, you will see hell. You will leave Nigeria for me. I am saying it with all my heart. Listen and listen carefully, Nigerians. It has to get to a stage where Nigerians has to have guns and knives and pursue all this bloody, stupid, arrogant, self-centered politicians and rulers of that Nigeria. Unfortunately, it's my country and I have to die in it, not die outside. So this is not about protest. This is not about showing placard and saying, oh, we do this thing in peace and harmony. One day, the poor will have nothing else to eat than to eat you foolish rich bastards. You are all bastards. I am saying it. All I need is for you to please arrest me at the airport, because if the family of that boy did not, I wish I'm the family of that boy. I wish I'm the family of that boy. You will regret ever ruling Nigeria, both the past one and the present one, both the ones of they call the godfathers, and I don't give a fuck. All of you, fuck you all, officially. Tonight, personally, this fuck you is for all of you, all together. From the last man that knows that his superiors are bastards and not dropping his uniform to say, I am not working unless you find something to do. I am in a state, not a country. Dubai is a state. Look at Dubai. You see? Look at the roads. You see? You see the road is like carpet. It's like someone laid it, and you know, maybe when the cars are done, they will carpet yenle. I have never seen my fucking country road be like this. I travel recently. I start traveling and I see a lot. I don't see no area boys. And to you foolish stupid area boys, that have cutlass, that have guns, so all of you sit down there and you let your life rough. Lower our bastards to guess what? Oh, need lots of billions of dollars. Okay, need lots of more orange juice. To buy more orange juice, yati tony shit tony. So to buy more orange juice, on our phone 20 million. People look patalika BTA. A Benetton Jaffet all you, then shame on you. To Boko Haram one Nigeria. She be a netog. Allow one pump around one toggy, Tony Bon. Till you tell you about Boko Haram that if you want to lembe. Like she don't join a lot of Boko Haram. I don't know the family of that deceased. I'm sorry. May you rest in peace. I don't know what to say about you, boy. I'm sorry. But if you don't fight to the family of this boy, if you do not fight, as in, if you do not fight, and there should be state of emergency in Nigeria, you know, you've just lost the boy. I don't want to say something negative, but if I was you, I will fight, and I will fight. There will be no work. Everything will stand still. You will know that a man can cause everything to stand still. And to you fuckers that will see this video and say, and sit down in America or London or fucking any fucking country you are, and you fucking say a fucking word negative about my video, maybe wrath of God and the wrath of Allah, if they are two or one, I don't know. But if the same God, may he strike you to death with you, all your families, wherever you are, hiding in that pit of hole and causing my country pain. I'm in Dubai. I did not come here to run. I came to try to make money and rest my head a little bit. So to you who are in London or America, and to that fucking asshole lady, I don't know what the fuck she calls herself. Me, anytime when you're more than lomo, the video I did about my country the last time, and you had to say shit about me, and your children took you to America or London, where the fuck you are, and you're sitting there saying, Aremu to all you politicians and all the rulers of Nigeria that have caused Nigeria pain, may you feel pain through your harness in the name of God, by God's name. Shame on you, and fuck you all, bastards.